pag naka-vehicle ka?
Hard?
Credit admission pass. Oh no, I don't know how to do this. Thank you. Collect ticket below. Really? And then it says here to display ticket and dashboard. Maps available. Okay, let's go. Welcome back to another travel vlog in my channel. Today we are here in Watkins Glen State Park. It has a lot of waterfalls, I think 20 or 19 if I'm not mistaken, and it's located at the cute little town also called Watkins Glen. So we're going to explore this, and here's the map. So there's a lot of tourists today, and the person in the visitor center says that it should take around if we do the whole trail, it should take around 3 hours, and we're not going to sleep here, so tune along so that you'll find where we'll sleep. 11, 10, 9. So this is the map. Sabi nila there are 19 waterfalls, and we are right here, so we will go walk from here. I think this is 2 miles. Pero if we do until here, it's 3 miles down. The first stop is Sentry Bridge. It says, look for a round flume hole in the rock where water was once diverted to power. This is the Sentry Bridge. Oh, it looks beautiful. That is so cool. Wow! Ito yung gorge. Oh, it's muddy. Here at Minnehaha Falls, and it's heart-shaped pool. These are the name of the pools. So we are here at the Minnehaha Falls. So that's the Minnehaha Falls, or this one, I don't know. So that's the heart-shaped pool. Aw, so cute. We're going to the cavern cascade. This is number 4 spot. Walk behind this waterfall in a narrow space where water has undercut layer of sandstone by eroding away crumbly shell beneath. Travel through the spiral tunnel hand-cut in 1927. It's kind of muddy lang. We're near the waterfalls. But look at this. There's a lot of people, and we're going to cross the the cavern cascade. Meron siyang full of water over there, so medyo mahirap. There's the waterfall. So we're going to the number 7, which is the Glen Cathedral. Oh, notice the horizontal layers of sandstone and shale formed 380 million years ago. Look down and observe the ripples in the rock you stand upon. They were created by wave action on the bottom of an ancient seafloor that eventually turned to stone. Like it's been cut. Okay, so our next stop is the Central Cascade It is plunging more than 60 feet. This is the highest waterfall on this gorge. So that is number 8. We're almost at the end, guys. Hope you're still here. Comment below if you've been here and if you have seen this beautiful state here in US. Look at this one. Hindi na yun handmade, di ba? Central Cascade. So we're almost at the end point. You can see the water beside me. This is the gorge. So beautiful. Oh, that is the Rainbow Falls. It says here, on a sunny afternoon, the light strikes this waterfall, creating a symphony of color. And notice the series of small, smooth, rounded plunge pools. These show us where waterfalls once were and how the creek has changed the landscape over time. Woo! Ang ganda! Mas marami pa pala dito. Ang ganda! Oh, the Rainbow Falls. Okay. Nope. It's so cool. Okay. It's so cool.
I know, but it's cool.
So I will try to vlog while crossing. Oh, it's cold. You'll get wet, guys. You'll get wet. We just passed the Central Cascade. Oh, I mean the Rainbow Falls. And now we're going to the Frowning Cliff, which is second to the last. So this Frowning Cliff, it is a narrow part of the gorge that receives so little sunlight that few plants grow here, and ice remains on the trail through late spring. Ang ganda! Bakit ang ganda? So pretty, guys. So we just rested for a bit and ate our late lunch. It is 3 o'clock. Hold on, is it 3 o'clock? It's 5:18 na pala. 5:18 in the afternoon. And yeah, you have to bring your own bottled water because there's no drinking fountain around here. And I think it's wise to bring a snack or a sandwich with you. We have our own backpacks, which we put our own essentials. And if you are senior, maybe a walking stick is nice. So this park, state park, the Watkins Glen State Park, is the most famous lake in the Finger Lake region. Yeah, Finger Lakes State Parks, it is the most famous one. Of course, I already told you that it has 19 waterfalls and that it has a 200 feet cliffs. The Watkins Glen State Park won 3rd place as the best state in the United States. According to USA Choice Best, hold on, I forgot. The US Today's Reader's Choice. So it won 3rd place as the best state park. So that's a fun fact. It says it may take 25 years for the water flowing by you today to reach the Atlantic Ocean. 25 years. You cannot see the river though. This is the Lover's Lane Lookout. Why is it called Lover's Lane? So we're going back now and we are using the Indian North Trail, going back to the parking lot. And we saw the suspension bridge, we are trying to cross it, and doon na kami magdaan. There's a lot of trails. This is the lily pond. Covered lilies. So, kanina you have seen the couch staircase. Ngayon pabalik na kami. We are going to use that. There you go. Couch staircase. And this is the view. So, that's where we came from. Wala nang tao. That's the town. It's so quaint. And nandun yung visitor center. So naglakad kami from there to here. And dyan yung starting point. Nandito yung isang first waterfall. And yan, tuloy-tuloy na. Ay, tumingin siya sa akin.
Ha?
Ano siya, Papa?
Hindi ko lang din eh.
Tingin ka pa dito.
Dito ko naman.
Ba't ang taba niya? So we're now here at our car. We are going to where we are going to camp tonight. And that is Watkins Falls. But I want to show you guys how my maps are faring when I do have a map while traveling. It's very well used.
Medyo ano na area, slim area po mga kapatid, madami mga checkpoints at may iba po magbabas lang kami from that kasi agad kami ng 6. Okay?
Okay.
Pag 3, mas better pa kaysa 2.
So this is the park office, and then we're kind of late. So it says here, campers with reservation, please come to this park office in the morning to register and pick up your vehicle tag. Thank you. So we are at 66.
White, left. 59. 66. Ito, natin.
Saan?
Ito.
Ayan yung CR lang o sa likod natin. So this is our next campsite.
Pwede na ito. Konti na lang.
Walang twig.
Okay guys, I'm going to the bathroom. Going to wash my face. Get ready for bed. Here's my dad. So as I said in my previous vlog, you need this flashlight so that your hands will be free. It will be stuck in your head. Pero one thing that you also need is a lamp. We still haven't got it. Anyway, the campsite that I always book, that's what I look like. The campsite that I always book is, as much as possible, I always try to choose near the bathroom. I look horrible. I try to choose the campsites that are near the bathroom because, you know, senior citizens always need to go to the bathroom. So to make our life more easier, I choose the sites that are near the restrooms. So today has been tiring. I woke up very late, that's why nahagol kami sa time. Pero the Watkins Glen State Park is very, very beautiful. Guys, you should see it. Thank you for tuning in my vlog until now, and you're still watching. Thank you very much. So I'm just going to wash my face and prepare myself for bed, and then I'm gonna close this vlog. Okay, so I'm ready for bed, and I gotta close this vlog because I don't want to, you know, give it all to you guys, because that will be an hour-long vlog if I squish everything in one vlog. So just make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I've got a lot in store for you guys, and I know you'll enjoy joining me on our road trip across America. But for now, before August 1 comes, I gotta close this vlog. This is July 31. Make sure to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in my next travel vlog. Bye!